Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For all of you guys who are new to my channel, my name is Stephanie and I'm so happy to see you here. Today's video is going to be a really quick eyeshadow tutorial using the Morphe 35F palette. I am so excited to show you guys this look. It was something really different for me, something more bold I would say, and I was so happy with the way it turned out. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and enjoy the video.
I'm going to go ahead and start by priming my eyelids using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium. And I'm going to place that evenly all over both eyelids. I'm going to blend it out using this Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. And what this does is just give me a nice even base to start my eyeshadow with. I have a lot of veins and discoloration and I don't really like that. So I'm going to go ahead and set it using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in shade Fair Light. And just do like a Patrick Star moment right here and place a whole bunch of powder and set it there. Then I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics brush and just wipe away all that excess powder. Yeah, I have a brush specifically for this. It's kind of weird. And if I could get my palette in the right place, there it goes. Morphe 35F palette right here. Very beautiful shimmer shades. I'm going to go ahead and take a BH Cosmetics fluffy brush, my favorite, and go in with this first color and just slowly start blending that into the crease. A little bit at a time, because if I go in with too much color, then I'm going to mess up and I don't know how to fix it. Doing voiceovers, this is actually my first voiceover, but they're actually not as easy as I thought. I know a lot of YouTubers prefer them, but I don't know if I do. I guess this is my test run. We'll see how many of these end up on my channel. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend in that same color just onto the other eye this time. It's so weird watching myself do this. I'm going to take a different BH Cosmetics brush, a little bit more tapered, and I'll put all the names of all the brushes in the description box down below. I'm going to go ahead and take a different color and blend that into the outer corner and all the way through my crease and into the inner corner. And this color is really what's going to start shaping my halo eye that I want to have going on. Then you just obviously do the same thing to the other eye. I don't even know why I say that, because it's kind of obvious you're going to do it to the other eye. Why would you, do something different? Maybe I just want to say something. I'm going to go back into my blending brush by BH Cosmetics, and with the original color that we used in the crease, I'm going to start putting that back in there. I feel like I lost some of it in this process, so I'm just kind of putting it back, defining that color a little bit more, just blending it out. I'm going to take this Morphe R39 brush and I'm going to take this red brick color and I'm going to start placing that in the outer parts of my eye and kind of just blending that in and kind of winging it out. Kind of want it to go with my eyeliner that I'm going to do later on. Blending that all the way through again and just making sure it's kind of blended out and smoked out. I've been really digging smoky eyes lately. I feel like it really makes my eyes stand out, and when I do neutral looks, it does make my eyes stand out. My eyes are green, but I feel like smoky eyes really bring out like the green kind of blue reflection that I have in my eyes. It's really cool. That's why you'll see a lot of smoky eyes in my channel. I'm going to take this Ipsy brush that's really dirty, go in with the black shadow, and start adding that super smoky depth to the end of my eye. This is probably one of my favorite brushes for packing on a black shadow in the outer corner. It's so tapered and so precise, but it's still a blending brush, so it gives it like that smoke out to the shadow. I don't know. I feel like I'm using the same words. Then I'm going to use this clean Morphe brush, and I'm just going to start blending out those edges. I feel like there's too many harsh lines. Oh my gosh, I'm brushing so aggressively. I swear it doesn't feel like this on my eye. It looks that way though. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild blending brush and go in with that red brick color again. And I'm going to put that back in my crease. I feel like I'm losing a lot of these colors. But then again, I'm blending these a lot. So back in with the black. Keep blending, keep adding, keep blending. And again on the other side. We're going real smoky this time. It's looking good though. Now for the shimmer shade and the star of the show, it's gonna be this like olive with a gold reflex. You could see from the swatch, it swatches beautifully. And I first tried this out with this flat brush dry, and I realized that was a fail. So I went in with my L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray just to wet the brush a little bit, add a little bit more color payoff, and it worked. But I felt like the shadow could do more. So what I did was I added more black first, of course, and I actually went in with my finger and got literally the best color payoff that way. So then I'm just taking this really small detail tapered blending brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going in with those same original colors but adding them back into the inner corner. It's kind of what it's going to look like. Damn! You can't tell me you don't see that payoff with my finger. I know some people don't like using their fingers to apply eyeshadow, but you seriously get the best payoff. Well, at least I did with this shadow. And I'm just going back in with those same colors, really giving that smoky effect. And I'm just blending in where like my finger stopped with the eyeshadow, just so it's not a super harsh line. And I'm doing that for both eyes and adding more black because obviously the look was not smoky enough for me yet. And just finishing off the final touches, adding a few more blends. And I actually went back in with another blending brush to keep blending. If you didn't know blending was important, it is. Taking concealer and just cleaning up those outer edges, making them super, super straight. So when I go in with my eyeliner, it's going to follow along those precise lines that you see there. Damn. Now I'm going to finish my face off camera and I'll be right back. Now to finish the lower lash line, I'm going in with this small Ipsy brush and with that same original crease color going into the lower lash line. And I'm pretty messy with this original color. I'm just kind of blending it in down there. But then I'm going to take this Real Techniques flat fluffy brush. I don't know what kind of brush it's called. It'll be down below. And with that red color, that I will definitely be more precise with it, keep it on the outer edges and just slowly bring it in just to match. Add a little bit of mascara to my bottom lashes and going in with this Kat Von D liquid lipstick. It's really tiny. One of my friends gave it to me, but it's absolutely beautiful. And I kind of do this outline to my lips first. I just make sure I get the color in the right places, because the moment you go out of line, you mess up your foundation. So just filling in my bottom lip. And then when it comes to my top lip, my Cupid's bow is like awkwardly pointy, but my top lip is like awkwardly small and crooked. So I always hate this part, but it came out nice. It went really well.
So that was the end of the video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope it wasn't too difficult. I know I went through a lot of brushes and back and forth between different colors. I just wanted to get it exactly what I pictured in my head, and I feel like I got really close. I mean, that's as close as it's gonna get. I want to play with a lot more of the shimmers in the 35F. That's why I figured if I tried something new, that green olivey dark sparkly metallic color was definitely something I never thought I'd touch in that palette, and it was almost like a small challenge for myself to use that color in that palette, and I'm extremely happy with the way it came out. I'm so happy with this look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. There's going to be plenty of more videos in 2018. I'm so excited for a lot of things that I have ready for my channel. I'm so close to 100 subscribers, and when I hit 100 subscribers, I have a giveaway already planned out for it. So let's hope that at some point in 2018 we can hit that 100 mark and maybe even more. So that's all I have for you guys for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!